Today I want to show you the new interface when you select a new sales campaign. So Meta has made some changes, and basically it means that whenever you create a new sales campaign right now, it will become an Advantage Plus sales campaign. Now, what this means is that Facebook Meta is hiding all the options, and it becomes much more difficult to go manual. And some people are saying that you're no longer able to go manual. Now, that's not true, but you need to find all the options and you need to know which options you should disable to revert to a manual setup. In a lot of cases, you want to go manual, and also in a lot of cases, you would want to go Advantage Plus. Let's check out what you need to change to revert to a manual setup instead of an Advantage Plus. I've created a new sales campaign, and when I navigate to the ad set, the first thing you will notice is that the Advantage Plus sales campaign is turned on. Now, when I expand this card, you can see that it basically means that I'm using a campaign budget. A campaign budget is advantage according to Meta because when you're using a campaign budget, it allocates budget to your assets related to performance. The audience is also Advantage Plus because you're using the recommended setup, and recommended audience for Meta basically means as broad as possible. Now for the placements, if you're including all placements, and that's what Meta wants you to do, your ads may appear on the audience network, Messenger, Instagram, and Facebook. When you scroll down at the ad set level, and you navigate to the audience section, first thing you see is that you have no advertising settings set. If I would edit this one, there are some options you can turn on, but I would not advise using these toggles unless you have very specific and age restricted goods or services, else you can just leave this option as is. Now here's where it becomes interesting. You have controls, and this will limit who can see your ad. So Meta will listen to your controls. Now you can't click this. The only thing Meta is showing right now beneath controls is the location. In this case, my ads will only run in Belgium. If I click the pencil icon, I can change my location and add or exclude other locations. Now, the most interesting settings are hidden by default, so you'll have to click Show More Controls. And right here, I can see I can also set a minimum age. I can add custom audience exclusions, so Meta won't be able to reach, let's say, retargeting website visitors. And I can also control the language. Okay, so when I click to edit the minimum age, and I set it to, let's say, 20, this will be a control. So my ads won't show to people that are younger than 20. If I want to exclude my customers or my website visitors, I can add the custom audiences right here. And then Meta will not show my ads to people that are included in these custom audiences. Now for the language, Meta recommends to only enter a language if you need to limit your audience to people who use a language that isn't common to your selected locations. So people living in Belgium, they speak Flemish and French. So if I only want to reach the Dutch-speaking people, I would need to add the Dutch language right here. This way I can control that my ads will only show to Dutch-speaking people. All right, now here's where it becomes really interesting because I can suggest an audience. Everything I do when I click on add suggestions to my audience, these are all suggestions. So if I would include a custom audience, let's say my website visitors, it will be used as a suggestion. So it's not a targeting control. The same goes for age. If I would set an age limit to 50 right here, it will be a suggestion. The same for gender and also same for interests or behaviors I would add in the detailed targeting section. So everything right here is a suggestion. So you're ending up with a very broad audience. Now that can work in a lot of cases. But if you really want to control who you want to reach, you will have to go manual. And right here, I've changed some default settings, but still it's an Advantage Plus sales campaign because everything right here is a suggestion. So how can we fix this if we want to go manual? We'll have to click the further limit the reach of your ads option. Now, this is kind of a intended wording from Meta because they want you to know that if you go manual and you're setting a lot of restrictions, then the potential reach of your ads will be smaller. But in a lot of cases, that's exactly what you want to do. So let's click further limit the reach of your ads. And we're not there yet because now we get another alert from Meta saying that we will miss out on results and we would generate a 33% lower cost per result if we would keep the current setup. Now, in this case, we want to switch setup. After switching, everything is still Advantage Plus. So it's still an Advantage Plus sales campaign. If I want to change everything so it's manual, I could change the campaign budget to an ad set budget, but for this to work, I will have to add at least 2 ad sets because else you're no longer able to use an ad set budget. The audience I will be changing and also the placements. So let's start with the placements. Right here, there's an option, a quick option to edit. So again, they are hiding it by default. And right here, you can choose the platforms. So in this case, I'm turning off Messenger and the audience network. If you wish, you could also control the placements for Facebook and Instagram right here. You can expand everything and make your own choices. And as you can see right here, the placement is no longer Advantage Plus. So the placements right now are manual. Let's also change the audience. Right here. So again, the location, this will be a strict control. So that's great. It's manual. But then when I want to target specific ages, you can see it's currently a suggestion. So I need to turn off the option to use it as a suggestion. And when I turn this off, it won't go beyond the age range I've set right here. Great. Now, if you're selling specific men or women products, you can set your selection, but again, they want you to use it as a suggestion. But in this case, I want to go manual, so I will disable the suggestion. Same goes for the custom audiences. If I would want to target only website visitors, or I would target a segment of mobile purchasers, again, it will function as a suggestion. So let's turn this one off too. The detailed targeting, now this is something different. It will always be a suggestion. If you're optimizing for conversions like in a sales campaign or a lead campaign, it will always be a suggestion. Meta has changed the default detailed targeting settings, so it will always be expanded if it can contribute to more conversions. The language, it's the same. So if I'm setting Dutch right here, it will only target Dutch. So great. If I would now save it, I'm running a manual sales campaign again. The only thing that's still Advantage Plus is the campaign budget. But if I'm using only one ad set, I'm okay with using campaign budget, of course, because it's the same principle. If I would add another ad set and I want to allocate specific budgets towards each ad set, I would change the campaign budget at the campaign level to an ad set level budget. So that's basically it. I think we can conclude that Meta is hiding a lot more options, and it will keep doing so. We need to be aware of all the options that are hidden and how to enable, disable specific controls and suggestions. So yeah, happy times. We are still having control, at least for now. So let's see what the future brings us. And let's hope Meta keeps giving us controls and we are not dependent on all the AI stuff for everything. Okay, guys, this was my quick tutorial on the new setup experience for Meta sales campaigns. So if you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If I say the word subscribe, you will notice on desktop that a pop-up button will glow. So you know what to do, subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.